Hey friends, today we're going to talk about some handwriting, and we're going to start by writing some vertical lines, and then we're going to do some horizontal lines. So first we're going to start with a vertical line, and I drew my smiley face, as you can see, because I always want to start where? That's right, at the top. So with my vertical line, we're going to start at the top, and we're going to do a big line down. Now parents, for some of you that your children aren't yet able to copy a vertical line, you can use the word zip for them. So we're gonna zip, 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 zip. And that is one way to start working on vertical lines. Then, once you've mastered that, you can start on your horizontal lines. So we're going to start over here at this side of the paper, which is the left side of the paper, and we're going to go zoom, just like a car. Zoom, zoom, zoom. So that is one way to practice writing your vertical and your horizontal lines. Then, for our children that aren't quite ready to work on letters, you might make a cross, which is a zip and a zoom, and that gets them going across the midline. Zip, zoom, zip, zoom. And then after that, you can start working on that circle, and it might be around and round and round and round and round like this, but you can also work on them starting at the top. You're gonna circle down and stop. So that's one way to start working on your vertical, horizontal, cross, and your circle. Now for our children that are ready to start writing their names, you might, as a parent, want to write their name out for them. So I'm just gonna write my name because my name is Sarah. S-A-R-A. So there's my name, Sarah. So maybe if I was a parent, I might write that name, and then my child could trace over it. S-A-R-A. Or they could copy it. S-A-R-A. Now, one thing, parents, that you don't want to do is to do those dots. Like when we were growing up, we used to trace those dots, and we would trace them. But that is confusing for kids because then they think that they might just have to touch the dots. So really, like we grew up tracing the letters, we don't want to do that. We want to draw out the whole letter for them. So just like this, S-A-R-A. And remember, we always want to start working on those capital letters because those are the easiest letters to write. Once your child has mastered writing on capital letters, you can start working on the lowercase letters. So for me, I might write S-A-R-A. And you want to keep it simple. So I'm going to be attaching some files in the creative ideas section of the distance learning, and it will kind of walk you through all these different scenarios and how to write your uppercase letters, and then some talking about some lowercase letters. Hope you guys have a good week, and we'll see you guys later.